Hello student, already you have learned to draw geometrical figures like square, rectangle and circle in your lower classes. Today we are going to find area and its boundary of square and rectangle in chapter 11, area and its boundary. Whose slice is bigger? Parth and Ginny bought aam papad, dry mango slice from a shop. Parth bought aam papad which looked like piece A and Ginny bought aam papad which looked like piece B. Parth and Ginny could not make out whose piece was bigger. Can you suggest some method to find whose piece is bigger? One method. Length of Parth's aam papad is 6 cm. So 6 squares of side 1 cm can be arranged along its length. Width of Parth's aam papad is 5 cm. So 5 squares can be arranged along its width. Students, tell me, so altogether how many squares can be arranged on it? We can count all squares, but student, it's silly to count them all. Just multiply it. 6 into 5 equals to 30. So, area of piece A is 30 cm square or 30 square centimeter. In the same way, we can find out area of piece B, that is of Ginny's aam papad. 11 into 3 equals to 33. So, area of piece B is 33 cm square or 33 square centimeter. So student, tell me whose slice is bigger? Is it 33 cm square or 30 cm square? Of course, it's Ginny's aam papad which is bigger than Parth's aam papad. Area can be defined as a space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeter, square feet, square inches, etc. Okay. Now let us find area of a square and area of a rectangle. Find the area of a square. Side of a square equals 12 cm. Area of a square equals side into side equals 12 cm into 12 cm equals 144 square centimeter. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth of rectangle are 14 cm and 5 cm respectively. Area of a rectangle equals length into breadth equals 14 cm into 5 cm equals 70 square centimeter. Arba's plan to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 cm. His kitchen is 220 cm in length and 180 cm wide. How many tiles will he need? Solution for this. Side of a tile equals 10 cm. Area of a square tile equals side into side, which is 10 cm into 10 cm equals 100 square centimeter. Length, area of the kitchen floor equals length into breadth, which is equals to 220 into 180, which in turn equals 39,600 square centimeter. Area of the kitchen floor upon area of the square tile, which is equals to 39,600 upon 100, which in turn gives 396. So, Arbaz need 396 green tiles to tile his kitchen. We have already discussed about area of a square and area of a rectangle. Now we are going to see perimeter of a square and perimeter of a rectangle. Take one example. Draw a square of side 3 cm. Label it as A. Draw another square with double the side. Label it as B. Find the perimeter of square A and square B. Perimeter can be defined as the path or the boundary that surrounds a shape. It can also be defined as the length of the outline of a shape. Perimeter is the total length of the sides of a two-dimensional shape. Perimeter of square A equals side plus side plus side plus side, which in turn equals to 4 into side, which is equals to 4 into 3 cm, which equals 12 cm. Perimeter of square B equals side plus side plus side plus side, which in turn equals 4 into side, which is equals to 4 into 6 cm, which is equals to 24 cm. Students, answer these questions now. The side of a square A is dash centimeter. It's 3 cm. The side of a square B is dash centimeter. It's a 6 cm. The perimeter of a square A is dash centimeter. It's a 12 cm. The perimeter of a square B is dash centimeter. It's 24 cm. The perimeter of square B is dash times the perimeter of square A. It's a 2 times. King story. The king was very happy with carpenter Anar. He had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So, as gift, the king wanted to give some gold to Anar. King told Anar that I will give you as much gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meters. So, Anar also tried many different ways to make a boundary for 800 square meters of land. He made rectangles A, B and C of different sizes. Find out the length of the boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for this rectangle? Rectangle A 40 meter into 20 meter. Rectangle B 80 meter into 10 meter. Rectangle C 800 meter into 1 meter. Since the shape is of a rectangle, perimeter of rectangle equals length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, which is equal to twice the length plus breadth. Perimeter of A equals to 2 times in bracket length plus breadth, which is equals to 2 times 40 meter plus 20 meter, which is equals to 2 into 60 meter, which is in turn equals to 120 meter. Perimeter of B equals 2 times in bracket length plus breadth, which is equals to 2 times 80 meter plus 10 meter, which is equals to 2 times 90 meter, which gives 180 meter. Perimeter of C equals to 2 times of length plus breadth, which is equals to 2 times 800 meter plus 1 meter, which is equals to 2 into 101 meter equals to 1602 meter. Perimeter of A equals 120 meter. Perimeter of B equals 180 meter. Perimeter of C equals 1602 meter. So, Anar will get 1602 meter of gold. Now practice time. 1. The fencing of a square garden is 20 meter in length. How long is one side of the garden? Second, a thin wire 20 centimeter long is formed into a rectangle. If the width of this rectangle is 4 centimeter, what is its length? So student, today we have learned about definition of area. To find out the area of square and rectangle, definition of perimeter, and to find out the perimeter of square and rectangle. Thank you students.